Good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 2, Globe, Latitude and Longitude, class 6, subject Geography. In this chapter, I am going to explain you about longitude, why longitude are important. What is use of longitude? Now, what are longitude? To fix the position of a place, it is necessary to know something more than the latitude of that place. You can see, for example, that Tonga Island in the North Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Island in the Indian Ocean are situated on the same latitudes, south, 20 south. Now, in order to locate them precisely, we must find out how far east or west these places are from a given line to reference, right? Means these are located on a 20 latitude, but not 20, not only 20, these are at 20 south, right? And other are 20 north, right? So we must find out how far east or west these places from the given line to reference running from the North Pole to South Pole. These line of a reference are called meridian of longitude. Now, what is prime meridian? Student, you can see the picture of globe and observe this red thick line which is prime meridian, and this thin line which are meridians. These are measured in degree, right? The distance between them are measured in degree of a longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. That's why this line of longitude are very important to predict a time of particular country. For example, Western countries and Eastern countries. Generally, Western countries are quite late than the Eastern countries. For example, in India, we have a 12 o'clock noon. At the same time, in England, there is a 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so this show the time difference between two countries, right? They are semicircle and the distance between them decrease steadily pole toward until become zero at the pole where all meridians meets. Now again, prime meridian. The prime meridian, as it passes through Greenwich, England. Observe this place, okay? This passes through from Greenwich in England. As it passes through Greenwich, England, is a considered 0 degree longitude because both the equator and prime meridian are imaginary line. They were both established by mankind at some point in human history. Unlike parallels of latitude, all meridians are of equal length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that the count should be from the meridian which passes through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called prime meridian, right? So, where British Royal Observatory is located in a Greenwich, right? Greenwich is a place located in London. Its value 0 longitude, and from we count 180 eastward as well as 180 westward. Now let me show you picture. In this picture you can see eastward as well as westward, but because of I cannot put a 3D image. It is in a westward. In a eastward there is a 80 degree and a eastward 60 degree, sorry, in eastward 80 degree and westward 60 degree only seen. The prime meridian divided earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Therefore the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for a eastward and W for a west. It is however interesting to note that 180 east and 180 west meridian are on the same line. Student, this is all for today. In my next class I'll show you how time is predicted. Okay, I'll show you the prime meridian on a map, right? Thank you so much.